Alan's has worked on a number of projects recently with the United Nations. One of the most long-standing projects that we're involved with is working for the UN Special Representative on Business and Human Rights. We have advised on issues around what government obligations are in respect of human rights obligations of corporations, and we've also advised on social, legal, policy issues around the corporate responsibility to respect human rights, which is an emerging international norm. There was another project we were working on. We've been working with the UN Global Compact. Alan's was the first signatory in Australia to sign the UN Global Compact, which is basically a compact that business enters into with the UN in relation to 10 principles around labour, human rights, the environment and anti-corruption. We've been working on a project in the last year that's called Lawyers as Leaders, and it is a training kit effectively for corporate counsel that seeks to educate corporate counsel about their role in respect of each of those areas. I think it's really important for Alan's to be involved with the work of the United Nations in the way that we are for a number of reasons. First, we are a global world. We are increasingly engaging on a global level, and law firms have to act globally in a business sense. So involvement in international organisations like the UN helps us keep on the cutting edge of what's happening from a legal perspective, what is happening at the international law level. It's also very important for our lawyers to increasingly understand the role of international law and the role that that plays in respect of domestic law, because that's an emerging relationship. And also the UN, sadly, is not always the best funded institution, so we've been able to provide some fantastic skills and resources that otherwise it wouldn't have had.